We are lucky to be surrounded by a variety of amazing plants and animals in our region. But did you know that it is the interconnectedness of our ecosystems that makes it possible for us to enjoy so many different species in nature? We learned that native plants have adapted to the environment and are very strong in the ecosystem. They also provide the native animals with food and shelter. A native plant has its own defenses that allow it to survive and thrive in its habitat. If a species of plant not native is introduced, it could destroy a habitat if it was invasive.
In our research, we found out that native plants are important to the animals that feed on them. If the native plants were to go extinct, it would cause a chain reaction that would affect many species of animals.
Our journey began with the study of the monarch butterfly. We learned about the life cycle of the monarch. More specifically, we focused on the monarch butterfly larva. We learned that the larva only eats milkweed, although it will feed on more than one variety of milkweed.
We traveled to Rock Hollow Woods Environmental Center where we visited their butterfly house.
A native plant expert from Berks Nature visited us at GMIS. We observed willows, European honeysuckle, porcelain berries, and touch-me-not. While observing the plants, we found out that some plants look different at different times of the year.
So, what can we all do together to protect native plants? First, we can be educated. Find out what plants are native to the region in which you live. Then, encourage the planting of native plants, especially when landscaping. Together, our efforts will help make a difference.
We researched the native plants that already exist in Berks County.
Let's take action. We propose that a milkweed bed be created. We've done some planning.
We worked together to determine a good size for a milkweed bed. We measured out a possible bed size.
Using the Lowe's website, we calculated the amount and cost of the 8-foot steel landscaping edging needed for the 6-foot by 4-foot bed.
We used Google Sheets to create a table of expenses involved in purchasing supplies needed to create a bed.
We found a great site that tells the steps to harvesting milkweed seeds. Here's some info to prepare to plant milkweed in the fall of 2018.
We learned that milkweed seeds should be planted 1 to 2 feet apart. This diagram shows how we would plant the seeds. We hope that the school district will take action with us to help plant milkweed at Brecknock. A good start would be to purchase the items needed for the milkweed bed we planned out.